Melvin Upton Jr.
In 2/3 in that game.
One to left field. Did he get enough? Yes! Home run, Bautista. And it's 2-0 Blue Jays. Ezequiel Carrera is going to pinch hit for Darwin Barney to lead off the bottom of the 8th. Gives the Blue Jays the lead. Ball right now. And they might just have gotten one. Towering fly ball to left field. And it's a one-run game. Drive deep to left field. Marte will watch this one go out of the yard. 3-run home run for Russell Martin. Number 19 for the Blue Jays catcher.
You know, you mentioned that Valdez gave up a big home run last night in their loss to Seattle. That's a big one for the Blue Jays right there. Russell Martin got himself into a fastball count, 3-1.
Swinging a drive. Stay fair, ball. Stay fair. Troy Tulowitzki with his 24th home run. We mentioned it. Weaver gives up the long ball. That's the 36th home run he surrendered this season.
The Long Beach State boys getting together. Weaver played there. Troy Tulowitzki played there.
Swinging a drive deep to left field. This one is way back and down. Number 40 for Encarnacion. That's a little icing on the cake.
Welcome to the 40 home run club, Edwin.
Swinging a drive deep to left. This one is back and down. Number 41 for Puerto. For Russell Martin.
Well, they were waiting for something dramatic to happen, and it just happened. 3 soft hits for the Blue Jays, and then Russell Martin comes to the plate and says, that'll be enough of that. Ties it up.
And then Bautista would single. Saunders high and deep to right, and this one's gonna go. Two-run home run for Saunders. Black curly wig on under his baseball cap. And it was really difficult. Josh Donaldson hits it high and deep to left. And this one is gone. Donaldson gets into the act with his 35th home run.
RBI number 94 on the season for Donaldson. And everybody's hitting that said, okay, can't do that. Uh-oh.
High and deep to left, and he's done it again. Number 42 for him, Palacio.
And the fans get another souvenir. That ties Edwin's career high. His first time up, he thought he had one. Deep to left field, but it stayed in the ballpark.
Bautista high and deep to left. Stay fair, ball. Stay fair. It is gone. You can always go back to the big guys to come up with big hits in tough situations.
And this place is going crazy right now, thanks to that guy.
Home run number